And we're back. We're back with 5 minutes to go in the trading day. 2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Market closes in 5 minutes, and we got the moves, got the movement we were looking for. If indeed we want to put another call credit spread on the board for SPY, the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, we were hoping it would go green prior to the end of the day. Looking out on those 14 days to expiration trades. And let's just see what the action is, because I was thinking in my own little pea brain that instead of putting one on for May 5th, since I already have one on, and I wouldn't be able to do dailies after that because those aren't released yet. So if I go to the following Friday, is that crazy talk? The 12th, 21 days out? What kind of action? Why are they down if it's green? But let's just look through these real quick. We don't have a whole lot of time, do we? $4.30. So the 4.30 and the 4.35 looks interesting to me on a call credit spread. 24-cent credit, 21 days out. If we did 10 contracts, that seems like a lot. That is a lot. 10 contracts is a lot. It'd be around 5 G's, $5,000 in the collateral. We can get that 24, right? $240. Not sure why it's saying a low likelihood of filling. Because it's dropping. It's dropping down now to 23. What is SPY doing? Oh, it took a little red action down, didn't it? Downtown to where? You know where. Oh, there we go. Get a little bump. Get a little bump action there. Let's try to get back up to that 24 credit. Could fill it right now for the 23. Go ahead and do it. Call credit spread, $5,000 on the table. And we got 6 filled, 10 filled, and $230 credit. Let's do our fantasy land math. We got 230 divided by 5,000 in the collaterals. That's 4.6% in 21 days divided by 21. Abacus our way out to annualized at 79.9%. So these call credit spreads, just like put credit spreads, they're all good and great, good and dandy until they turn against you, because you could lose a week or two's worth of green trades with one red trade. But my own mental theory is I am perfectly satisfied closing these ahead of time at 50% plus credit. And we've done that already. We've closed at least 4 of them. We have another one I know is already in the 50% plus credit, but I was just going to roll the dice, take some chances. So that's this May 3rd, 430/440. It's 71% into the profit, but we're going to be just fine through the weekend, gaining that time over Saturday and Sunday into Monday, and then we'll watch that, because that should then be in the 80s already, depending on what SPY opens at on Monday, of course. But of course, do you have any Grey Poupon? I do not. So I think I'm picking up the Mustang GT tomorrow morning. I don't know if it's too soon to have it home. Let me look at the weather. So weather has been fluctuating right around in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. So next week, no, that doesn't look like a good week. Maybe I should pause it another week. Anywho, I'll check in, let you know, try to share some pictures of the GT when I get it back into my possession from my buddy's pole barn, his heated and beautiful pole barn. So there we have it, another SPY trade on the board. And then what we'll do is we'll fill in the blanks between that 21st, or no, what was it? The 12th, the May 12th credit spread. And then we need to go the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th to fill in that gap between those two dates. I'll have my spreadsheet ready for you, I would say no later than Monday. I'd like to have it together for you sooner than that. Maybe share it over the weekend just so I can catch up. Because I haven't put any of those 14-day to expiration trades into a spreadsheet. But they won't be hard to find, luckily, because my friends over at Robinhood, they make it fairly simple to track down my trades based on date, based on ticker symbol, whatever I am searching for. So we'll be able to find those, put those right into a spreadsheet, track our progress, because so far so good on those trades. And then just a quick recap at the end of day. The bell has tolled. It's 3:01 p.m. So all of these will all go to 100% as far as the profit is concerned. And then we'll have a whole other round of calls to sell, won't we? We'll have 1,000 shares worth of Bank of America, 100 shares of EOG Resources, 100 shares of Ford. We won't have to buy. Where did the J&J end up at? Johnson & Johnson ended the day at 162.69. So that will expire at full premium, at full credit. Then we'll have 200 shares, 2 contracts of Southwest to trade in a covered call, 10 contracts in the AT&T. This put will expire at full profit on Tyson. We'll have 14 contracts on Verizon. Then we'll get into next week's expirations and see what we need to do, what type of trade management needs to go on, if any. And we shall go from there. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I will likely have some update videos this weekend. And then sweetheart lady Tanzalot, she leaves Sunday and she'll be gone for a week. So no telling, there might be 10 videos a day. Might be uploading 10 videos a day for you. No, that's not true, is it, Bart? It's not. That's too many. But I do have a good time, and I'm glad that you're able to join me. I appreciate you. I appreciate you very much for tuning in, for supporting me, for rooting me on, because I'm doing the same for you. Oh, show. So have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.